There is nothing better than watching a full restoration of a beautiful vintage wedding gown. As you can see, this dress has multiple small stains and a lot of yellowing due to the oxidation. And we only have 2 days to finish it because this dress is being worn this weekend. So, we start the process by first giving the dress a pre-soak to help protect the fabric during the cleaning process. Now, it's time for the sodium perborate bath. This step will help to remove the stains and the yellowing. Due to the time restraint, we only let this dress soak for 2 hours before moving on to the next step, another bath. Only this time, we're using Afflon and Protective. Now, Afflon is a detergent that contains parasitic acid, while Protective acts as an emulsifier, and we leave the dress to soak for another 2 hours. Just look at the color difference. It's definitely not yellow anymore, but now it's time to be wet cleaned on our hand wash cycle. Now that that's done, Kurt pulls the dress out of the washer and hangs it to dry overnight. The next day, it's time to tackle what leftover stains remain. So, Bill takes the dress over to the spotting board. He thinks this might be a rust stain, so he starts by using Alba Rust. Now, Alba Rust is a strong acid that takes time for it to break down the stain. So, Bill lets it sit for a minute, then uses a steam gun to flush the chemicals. Now, the stains moved ever so slightly, so he tries this method one more time. The stains are almost gone, but not quite yet. So, Bill applies Release and Alba Pro. This not only helps to remove the stain, but it also neutralizes the Alba Rust by bringing the pH back to neutral. Then, he works the stain with the bone, flushes it with our steam gun, and vacuums to dry before taking the dress over to be dry cleaned. This will not only help to finish the dress, but it will also condition the fabric, which helps to restore the soft texture. Just look at the luxurious texture on the dress. It's soft and flowy. Now, it's time for the finishing process. Bill starts by pressing the hanger loops. Then, he turns the dress inside out to press the bust. Once finished, he flips the dress right side out and begins pressing the innermost layer. Then, he starts the second layer. Pressing anything with ruching is a lot more difficult than Bill makes it look, but once he's finished here, he moves on to the last layer of the dress. He applies steam to relax the fabric, and then he brings down the head, and repeats this process throughout the rest of the gown. Now, it's time to work with the ruching along the waistline one more time. the stress is done. Comparing the before to the after is incredible. This beautiful gown is fully restored to like new condition and can now be worn once again. Even a rush job like this can't stop Bill from performing his magic.